Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to showcase your Instagram feed directly on your Shopify store? It's a great way to build trust, boost engagement, and show off your brand vibe. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to add an Instagram feed step by step. Adding your Instagram feed helps create social proof, displays real-time content, and can even help you sell more, especially if you use user generated content or lifestyle shots of your products. To add your Instagram feed, you will need a Shopify app. Some popular ones are Instafeed by Mint, free and paid plans, Instagram feed plus stories, Socialwidget by Socialhead. For this tutorial, I will use Instafeed, which is free and easy to set up. Go to your Shopify dashboard, then go to App section, then click App and Sales channel. Now click Shopify App Store. Search for Instafeed. Click Add App or Install now. Now follow the process and connect your Instagram business or creator account. Click Connect Instagram account and log in with your Facebook. Make sure your Instagram is linked to a Facebook business page. Uh, Facebook business, make sure your Instagram is linked to a Facebook business page to complete the connection. Now it's time to style your feed. Choose how many rows and columns you want. Select layout, grid or carousel. Show or hide captions like likes etc. Match it with your brand colors. You can also choose whether to show only image posts, videos, or both. Click connect with Instagram. Now enter your Instagram credentials, login credentials, then click login. Once you are happy with the look, it's time to add it to your store. Go to settings, now click Instagram connection, enable login with Meta Business Tip and Business Suite, then click save. Go to plans. You can pick a plan from here. For online 2.0 themes, go to online store. Then themes. Then click customize. Select the home page or any page section from the left sidebar. Click add section, choose Instafeed. You can move the feed to the bottom of the home page or anywhere you want to display it. Then click save from the right side corner. and then go to your live site to test the feed. Make sure images are loading, layout looks clean, and it's mobile friendly too. From Instafeed app, click Open App. From the left sidebar, Instafeed again. Or go to App section, then click on App and Sales tab, and click View Details. You can view products from here, add location, or click More Action, View in Shopify Store. Now click the Integration tab. Now you can choose one app from here, like Juniper, Bricks, Vitals, Game Pages, etc. Go to Plans section. You can start with Pro plan, which start $6 per month for 7 days free trial. Everything in free. Tag products and collections, product details, videos, autoplay, Instagram stories, sell posts, etc. Look for the plus plan. You can start with $20 per month or $180 per year USD. Select the plan and follow the process. That's it. Or you can just start for free. Just select a plan, follow the checkout process from your dashboard. You can add credit card or PayPal, then enter your PayPal credentials, and that's it. And that's it. Your Instagram feed is now live on your Shopify store. It's an easy way to make your brand more dynamic and visual. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what theme you are using. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.